Imagine a day when everything stops. No stars shining, no galaxies turning, not even a single second passing. If time itself goes silent, what remains? Is the end of time?
The end of time. The end of all? Or the beginning of something greater? When everything we know collapses into light, it may not be a final breath, but a seed waiting to bloom. And what grows from it could be
time, that endless river carrying everything away. We drift within it, unaware of where it began or where it ends. But will there come a day when this river runs dry? Does time have an end? A question that challenges science, philosophy, and faith alike. Scientists say, one day, the universe may reach a state of stillness. A place where no motion remains, no heat, no change. They call it the heat death of the universe. When everything reaches thermodynamic equilibrium, and nothing ever happens again. In that moment, time loses meaning. Because time is nothing but change. But philosophers ask, if nothing changes, has time truly ended? Or have we simply lost the ability to perceive it? Is time an independent essence? Or just a shadow cast by motion and awareness? And if awareness fades, does time fade with it? In sacred texts, the end of time is the beginning of something else. The Quran speaks of a day when mountains scatter like wool, and time folds upon itself. In that moment, clocks lose meaning, seasons dissolve, years vanish. And a truth beyond time is revealed. A truth our minds are not yet ready to grasp. And so we return to the first question. Does time have an end? Perhaps the answer lies not in the end, but in the journey. Perhaps time is a mirror through which we see ourselves. And when there is nothing left to reflect, the mirror shatters. But maybe, in that moment of absolute stillness, something new begins. Not time, but something beyond it. And perhaps, the end of time is the beginning of immortality. The end of time is not only the concern of philosophers and scientists, but also lies at the heart of the sacred scriptures. In the Torah, the end of time is portrayed through the day of judgment and the return of divine justice, a moment when God brings history to completion and nations stand before revealed truth. In the Gospel, it is spoken of as the last days and the return of Christ, the moment when light triumphs over darkness and a new world, filled with peace and salvation, begins. And in the Quran, the end of time is bound to the day of resurrection. The heavens and the earth are transformed, humanity is raised, and each soul witnesses the outcome of its deeds. That day is not absolute annihilation, but the beginning of eternal life. 3 visions, 3 languages, yet one shared truth. The end of time is the moment when justice and truth are unveiled. And the question remains, is this the gate of destruction, or the doorway to immortality?
Now the question turns to you. If time were to fall silent, what would remain? Is the end of time the end of all? Or the beginning of eternity? Share your vision.
Perhaps your answer itself becomes part of this endless journey. And if you wish to walk with us into the next cosmic mystery, subscribe now, because every click you make continues the infinite search.